I'm Stefan, founder of Active Duty Dad Gear. As a veteran, I want to say thank you for supporting us and other veteran-owned businesses. It's huge, and we appreciate it. Lately, there have been a lot of brands making military-styled gear that never served. They dress up in combat fatigues for Instagram. While serving in Iraq, I wore my uniform with pride, with purpose. Our Dad Gear is based on my real-world military experience, and of course, raising my 2 kids. It's like selling barbecue if you're a vegan. Not to mention a lot of these companies are based in China, so there's that. So if you're online shopping for some cool gear like ours, or anything military-inspired, make sure you get it from an authentic veteran-owned business, or at least one that supports our military. So thanks for listening. We're humbled and appreciate all the love and support. We'll continue to make the best military-style dad gear out there. So thanks, and go Army.